Alright, this is a 2017 F350 Platinum diesel. It's got all the bells and whistles on it. As you can see, we're currently driving in traffic, so I really can't show you how well it drives. If you see the dash and you see it going in and out and flickering, it's not the dash, it's the video. So, see on my cooling seat, it's doing the same thing, the video. But this has four-wheel drive, has the full locking rear end, does have the brake controller, has navigation, does have the 360 camera, heated and cooled seats, front and rear, has all the upfitter switches. It does have the full sunroof too that works. Has the platinum badging on it. It runs really good. This one currently is deleted. So see right there, it does have the 5-stage switch on it to change the horsepower. Full towing mirrors. Power, of course it's got the power pedals, forward and back, power steering wheel, in and out, up and down, telescoping. It does have the exhaust brake. Right now it's set on automatic. It's cameras. Not focusing on the dash. It's getting on the steering wheel. But anyway, you see that light on the dash right there. It shows up as automatic. So you can turn it off, turn it on normal, or turn on automatic. It does have the lane keeping assist, and then the 360 you can see there. Yeah, try to do another video where you see what it'll do. So you do it right. It's got a lot of power. See right there, I'm in a 40-mile-an-hour zone, so I don't want to go too crazy, but anyway, it'll definitely get up and go. It does have 5-inch exhaust on it, and will definitely take off.